I would like to extend my warm greetings to my special audience who is watching me right now. Our topic for today is optimizing ISO standards through the lens of Phase 8 strategic institutional logic. In our introduction and core analysis, International Organization for Standardization ISO frameworks, especially ISO 9001 quality management and ISO 18091 local government quality management have long been the global benchmark for institutional efficiency. However, a critical analysis reveals a persistent gap. Standard ISO framework often operates in a linear compliance-based model. They excel documentation and process consistency, but frequently fall short in dynamic adaptability, deep systemic logic, and the integrations of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. Traditional ISO implementation tends to focus on what is being done to pass an audit rather than why it is being done to advance human and social systems. It measures systemic output but often overlook the optimizations of human cognitive processing and institutional reasoning. The Phase 8 proposed improvement, the bridge to this gap, we introduce the paradigm shift that upgrades traditional compliance into a dynamic, tech-integrated system of governance. Our proposed improvements focus on three core pillars. Oh, the first one is the bureaucratic compliance to logic-driven metrics. The second one is the institutionalizing intellectual policing and restorative justice. Then the third one is the technological and AI integration, the digital backbone. We will elaborate the concept of this bureaucratic compliance to drive-in logic metrics. Instead of being a checklist conformity, institutional performance must be evaluated based on pure systematic logic. Process should not be simply because they are the standard, but because they represent the most mathematically and logically sound road to societal progress. And the second one is the institutionalizing intellectual policing and restorative justice. We applied to law enforcement and public safety sectors. ISO frameworks must move beyond traditional punitive metrics, example, arrest counts, and instead standardized scientific analysis, proactive crime prevention, and systemic restoration. And the third one is the technological and artificial intelligence integration, the digital backbone. We propose embedding AI-assisted frameworks and decentralized community-based technologies such as localized data networks directly into the ISO continuous improvements loop. That is what we call PDCA, plan, do, check, and act. This transforms static quality management into a living, real-time data-driven ecosystem. So our conclusion, by injecting this improvement, we updated the framework ceases to be a mere plaque on the wall. It becomes a blueprint for an advanced society which institute do not just survive audits but actively engineer the local sustainable and technologically advanced future of the community. So that is our short proposition how to improve the standard organization in our current policy on ISO. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. The power of the brain be with you always.